Okay, guys, so how do I connect the calendar sync and obviously turn on the scheduler? So I'm going to click on company settings, all right, and click on calendar sync. And now I'm going to place my email, and then it will offer me this. I don't know Slovak language, but I'm based in Slovakia right now. So I'll click on the email and click on continue and continue. All right, and now we have the calendar connected. Okay, so it's syncing. So in order to get the meeting scheduler right after we sync the calendar, we are going to get into sales inbox and write a new email. And then we can find it here. We can click on manage availability and add availability. And let's say for this type of meeting, I'd like to give 30 minutes and we can allocate some, let's say 1 hour. Oh, okay, so 1 hour on Monday. Let's delete this, it's Sunday. And Tuesday, I want to give from 12 to 2. And then for Wednesdays, let's say, you got the point, yeah? You got the point. So I'm going to continue with the meeting. I'm going to give it a name and everything. And now we have the link available so we can share it with people. Cool. It looks good. And we can embed it on the website. All right. So that's for the Pipedrive meeting scheduler, and see you in the next video.